So here I put the body harness in, so
Okay.
everything was pretty much plug and play.
Okay. Well, tell the people how you got it done.
And at the dashboard. Um, and then that pretty much completed the interior. Ran all the lines for the AC, and it pretty much plugged right in, as well as the transmission uh, line. So the carpet's in, the AC unit's in. So only thing at this point, just to add the dashboard, which is
So you basically just switched everything over.
so I pretty much add the cover on it, which is right here, which
That
is the
not
old.
the cover, fool. So everything had to come out the donor car into the new build. So I had everything I needed for the build into this donor car here. So I just pulled out everything, as you can see, and then I just put it into my build. So now I'm about to strip this car clean. I'm taking everything out. Okay, everything. It will be stripped to the bone, and everything will be put in the new vehicle. This approximately will take me around 2 hours to strip. Then I will come back the next day and do another 2 hours. I will take every bolt, every piece, and convert it to the new vehicle. Once everything is taken out and put into the new vehicle, I will go ahead and get rid of this vehicle, taking all the electricals in the motor, but mapping my way through it so that I can put it back exactly how I pulled it, piece by piece. Body control module, the AC unit / heater unit. Everything will come out piece by piece as one unit and then put into the new vehicle as I pull it out. At this time, this part can get tricky for the amateur, but a pro can remember this task and then put it back exactly how he pulled it. Same with under the engine. Every wire has to be pulled off and make sure that everything is intact and not damaged, so that way you can use it in the donor car. I mean, from the donor car to the other car that you're building. This car would have took more time fixing it, so I decided to go ahead, instead of doing a lot of welding and cutting and trying to fix this area here that's missing, I went on ahead and just put everything in here, so it's actually easier just to have a cleaner shell to work off of. So that's why I did it. I pulled the engine out, and then I put it into my car. The next day, the motor was installed and it runs and drives. And at this point, I'm 80% done with the project. A few things I had to do afterwards was, add a few pieces here and there to make it a complete car. I did have a 392 donor vehicle for certain pieces of the project, but this is not a 392 car. The badges were debadged and replaced with Hellcat badging. And this is the donor car after it was fully stripped down to nothing, as you can see, and I sold it off. So at this point, this is a complete project Wheels and tires, Brembos are installed, bled all the way around, starting in the rear. Before I could do my first test drive, I had to do a JXB performance drive shaft upgrade because this drive shaft was damaged. So yeah, this is sale days where I decided to let it go. I had 2 other Hellcat projects, plus I wanted to get something different, like a track haul or a TRX truck, so I decided to let this go. I completed this project anticipating to finish 2 other projects, so I needed the money to fund other projects. This project here was fun to do. I learned a lot about the vehicles, and I saved a whole lot of money in the process. The kids loved it, I loved it, and now it's off to its new owner. Everything was done in-house, but every part on the vehicle was OEM. The shell was a Hellcat, the donor was a Hellcat, everything matched up perfectly. So off it goes. It was fun while it lasted. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.